I'm down at my workshop. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I'm planning to go back to Bangkok tomorrow after spending 3 days down here. I've been down twice in the past 4 weeks. The first trip down I made a lot of BP, stars, Polverone, lift and burst powders, and the past 3 days I've spent cutting end discs and putting all these fuse assemblies together inside the discs. There's a lot of time fuse, and there's some spillets on the bigger shells. Originally I was going to build about 40 shells for this Rocket Festival show in May, but you guys know how it works. A single break turns into a multi-break, 2 break turns into a 3 break, a little salute turns into a rondelle, and somehow my original plan to do 40 shells has turned into about 82. I've got all the end discs finished now, so my next thing is I need to cut the paper for these, and when I come down again next week I'll start rolling up all the cases and then go from there, fill them, spike them, paste them, finish them all off. It's going to take probably a couple of months. I'm not going to be finished until probably the first or second week of May, but as I go through things I'll try and make some videos that people might find interesting of the way I make things, and just things of interest generally, pyrotechnically. I've got a roll of paper on the table here. It's £70 craft paper, which is impossible to get over here. The only virgin craft paper I can actually buy in Thailand is £40. Tom Neeson kindly sent this out to me all the way from America. Cost me an arm and a leg for the shipping, and I've made serious inroads into it, and there's not an awful lot left, so I might be calling you soon, Tom. Okay, I'm going to do a little video, just a couple of minutes, to show you how I work out how much paper I need for, say, a 4-inch shell, and how I go about cutting it.